Meet Sarah, 28, single mom, drowning in debt. Owing $67,000, her life was a financial nightmare. Credit cards, student loans, and a mortgage. She was barely scraping by, earning $45,000 a year. Sarah's story began like many others, struggling to make ends meet. She worked hard, but her debt seemed insurmountable. The average American has $38,000 in personal debt, but Sarah had almost double. 1 in 5 Americans will die in debt, a statistic that haunted her daily. Sarah's monthly payments were suffocating her, $2,500 gone in an instant. Her credit score was a dismal 520, making loans impossible. The interest rates were killing her, 22% on one credit card alone. She felt like she was losing the battle, debt piling up, no escape in sight. Then, something changed, a wake-up call that shook her to the core. Her daughter, Emily, asked why they couldn't afford a birthday party. Sarah broke down, realizing she had to act, to change their fate. The average household debt in the U.S. is over $140,000, but Sarah was determined to beat the odds. She discovered the debt snowball method, a strategy that worked for many. Pay off the smallest debt first, while making minimum payments on the rest. It wasn't the most efficient method, but it was psychological, a way to win small battles. The idea was to build momentum, to see progress, to stay motivated. Sarah created a budget, a plan to allocate every dollar. She cut back on expenses, cooking at home, canceling subscription services. She sold items she no longer needed, putting the money towards her debt. The snowball method was working, one debt at a time, slowly but surely. 3 years passed, and Sarah's transformation was nothing short of miraculous. She paid off the $67,000, her debt now a distant memory. Her credit score soared to 750, a near-perfect score. The interest rates that once haunted her were now a thing of the past. Sarah's story is a testament to the power of determination and the right strategy. If she can pay off $67,000 in debt in just 3 years, so can you. Take control of your finances, create a plan, and start your journey. Subscribe to our channel, WealthWise AI, for more stories like Sarah's, and start building the financial future you deserve.